Hi everyone. Today I'd like to share my personal journey of learning in networking. Networking was a challenging task for me for my first year. I've always been shy about approaching people, starting conversation and taking up their time. But one day I asked myself the question, how will I truly understand the event industry if I don't ask? That realization shifted my mindset and pushed me out of my comfort zone. Through my experience and guidance from Professor Bob, I've developed three key skills that are shaping my professional journey. First is crafting a strong elevator pitch. This helps me confidently introducing myself at events and interviews, making a strong first impression. Second is building meaningful professional relationships. Networking isn't just about collecting contact. It's about forming genuine connections and actively engaging with industry professionals. And lastly, using networking tools effectively. Platforms like LinkedIn have become invaluable for showcasing my skills, updating my resume, and finding job opportunities that align with my goals and becoming event an event manager. I've already started applying these skills by connecting with more than 7 industry professionals. Two key contacts I've built strong relationships are Thea Zalanovic, an event manager at the Royal Winter Fair, and Stephen McKinnon, CEO of Kinron Community Event Planning Services. To maintain this relationship, I stay in touch through emails, follow their LinkedIn profiles, and look for opportunities to volunteer within their organization. Looking ahead, my 1 year objective after graduation is to secure a full-time role as an events coordinator assistant. To achieve these goals, my strategies include consistently applying for relevant roles, attend networking events to expand my professional circle, joining professional associations to stay informed about industry trends, and seeking mentorship to guide me through my career journey. To wrap up my journey in networking, these skills and strategies have prepared me to step confidently into event industry fueled by determination and excitement for what's ahead. Thank you for listening.